Okay, this worksheet, drawing elements, compounds, and mixtures. Use the following atoms, these atoms here. Use these atoms to illustrate each box. Atoms that are chemically bonded, molecules or compounds, should be attached by a line. Okay, so here is an element. This is a single element of hydrogen. There's no line attached. They're just hydrogens floating around. Here is a molecule of two atoms, one element. So it's got one element, but these are chemically bonded because there's a line there. A compound with two different atoms. So here's carbon, here's hydrogen. A mixture of an element and a compound. So here's my element, hydrogen. Here's hydrogen and carbon. Here's hydrogen and carbon lined together. These are chemically combined. And then there's another hydrogen. Okay, so now let's draw a water molecule of two hydrogens and one oxygen. So here's my hydrogens. So my hydrogens are going to be, they kind of look like Mickey Mouse ears. So the hydrogens are here, and they are bonded to my oxygen, which should actually be a little bigger, and they're bonded like this. So an ionic compound, so a metal bonded with a nonmetal. So let's do, we're going to not use just these because there's no metal there. So we're going to do Na, and we'll do Cl. So there's my salt and a bond NaCl. I just did two lines. You can, one line is fine. Nitrogen gas, the most common element in the air, is N2, so we'll have two nitrogens. And that would be covalent, I believe, bonded with another nitrogen atom. Okay, salt. Oh, well, I did the ionic one, so NaCl. We'll do that one again. Okay, carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is going to be, let's do one carbon, and then here's the two oxygens bonded together there, and then a mixture of two different elements. So let's just do a bunch of hydrogens, and then let's do nitrogen. And covalent compound, a nonmetal with a nonmetal. So let's do chlorine, chlorine and oxygen. Let's do chlorine and oxygen. Again, I'm doing two lines. You could do any nonmetal. A mixture of two different compounds. So let's do our NaCl. Let's bond those together. Let's do, oops, I should have a line there. Let's do another NaCl space, so we can see our line that they're bonding. And then let's do hydrochloric acid. Again, I'm not leaving. There we go. Do a line. There we go. I'm used to doing them like that. Okay, a mixture of NaCl and water. So let's do our oxygen, our two hydrogens. There's my line. It's not a very good line. I hope my teacher doesn't, and then let's do NaCl. So this is like the salt water, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, so they're making these bonds. There's our hydrochloric acid. Again, hydrogen, one chlorine, a bond there. Nitrates in our fish tank. Nitrates, NO3, and nitrites, NO2, water molecule, and chlorine make up inside of the fish tank. So again, there'd be millions. So we're going to do nitrogen, and then we're going to do three oxygens. 1, 2, 3 oxygens. O, O, O. And And then we're going to do an H2O. So we're going to do a big oxygen, hydrogen, and then we'll do our chlorine, shared bond. I don't know why I'm doing two. One is fine. I keep accidentally doing two. And then we do an NO, nitrogen, and let's going out of here, oxygen, oxygen. Okay, and that makes our tank. All right.